welcome to this course on probability for computer science. To put it simply, probability is merely the art of counting, but in most of the contexts where probability is applied, it is far more intuitive for us human beings to talk about chance, which is probability, than to talk about counting. So probability has a physical interpretation, unlike counting. So humans and hence computers use probability all the time for decision making. In fact, all our choices are intuitively based on certain probabilities that our brain calculates or has learnt over time. So this is a crash course on the basic concepts of probability, and some of these concepts you would have heard of, or even you would have applied in high school. But the difference will be that in this course you will see many examples, okay, to do with computer science, and also many of these examples will be practical examples. So it will not only brush up your understanding of probability, but it will actually add to your insights in probability. Probability is applied in particular in statistics, so statistical decision making to make sense of surveys, and in recent years it has been applied in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and so forth. Also, there are many algorithms in computer science, many practical algorithms which are probabilistic. Okay, so I hope that you will enjoy this course. Thank you.